Hey, yeah, here we go. Hello everyone. It's been a while since I made a new video. I can tell that things have changed. Oh my goodness, the Schumann resonance, the waves of light that I've seen coming in my dreams and my sleeping patterns and my eating patterns, everything has shown me that everything's changing very, very, very rapidly right now. We're in a state of transformation right now, and it's clear from what my guides have been telling me, my higher self, is that we're in a transition to the new earth right now. Right now, everyone. It's happening now. It's actually happening now. And it's going to be one of the best things that we ever went through. So I'm going to say right now, look forward to a better reality because things are going to get better for all of us. So I want to just say to you all, thank you for your support and patience with me. I've been traveling a bit, and now I'm staying with family in a different area of Jamaica, and just wanting to do my own thing here, get away from the house for a while, and then see what can happen. I'm going to return back to the house soon, and you can see I'm packing up to go home soon. Yeah. So something that I wanted to do with this video is that I wanted to show that I got a new tarot card deck that I ordered online last year. I only just got it this year because I was in Mandeville and going through what I was going through. But I got that deck and I'm glad to show you all what it's like. It's the Mystical Manga Tarot. I'll show you in a moment. And I'm just excited that I got it because this is my first ever physical tarot deck. And it's ironic too because right before I actually got the deck, I actually found the app online. I found the app for the same deck online on the Google Play Store. I found it and I downloaded it, and now I have it installed on my phone. So now I have both the physical deck and the digital deck on my phone, and I have all sorts of different things that are happening for me, and my software manipulation and transformation of my phone has been very active in the past month, and I'm just going to say that the past month has been very transformative for me, very transformative. This month now has been very actually freeing. I feel much better now. I feel so much better now because I was doing so much inner work and all sorts of different things to help myself to get back to a state of balance and harmony within. And I'm just glad that it worked out because I worked with my team, and it's just something that I need to do. And I need to do it for myself and for my beloved, who is a divine partner of mine who I have yet to meet in physical, but I've seen her in my dreams very often. I've spoken about her before though, and I've shown you pictures of her through my drawings and such, so I can say that soon we're going to come together. So without further ado, I'm going to do the Mystical Manga Tarot reveal now. It's not necessarily an unboxing, but I'll just show you what it's like. Hold on. Okay everyone, here it is. My first ever tarot deck, the Mystical Manga Tarot by Ran and Barbara Moore. Yeah. Here it is, everyone. Here's a close-up of it. That is the High Priestess, as I've seen the deck already on my phone. That is the High Priestess. And here it is. Now I'm going to unbox it for you all. Here it is. Indeed. Alright. There it is. Nice. And this is the guidebook. Yeah, I have yet to go through it, but it's going to be fun. Yeah. And here are the cards themselves. In comparison to my hand, this is how big they are. They're that big. And now I'm going to show you what the cards are like themselves. So hold on, let me pull them out now. Okay, that is the World. The major arcana are on the top there. Yeah, I'm not going to actually do any kind of shuffling or card pulls or anything like that. I'm just going to pull out the cards themselves. So hold on. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Okay, this is good. The Ten of Pentacles and the World. Already I'm getting a message that this is the beautiful new beginning and the completion of a cycle that I've been going through. This is definitely what I've been looking forward to because I've been staying with my soul family here for a while now, and it's been a very good experience. I feel so much better. They've been treating me so well and taking care of me, and I feel like I'm actually getting somewhere in my life again, and I'm just happy that things worked out with my choice to come here, and I'm just glad it worked out. So here it is. This is how big it is in my hand, like this. This is the Ten of Pentacles. This is the artwork on it. Yeah. Yeah. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah. Okay. This is a guidebook. Okay. There it is. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Alright. But that's it. Just wanted to make it a quick video before I leave tomorrow and return back to my home in Benin. And I'm glad that this entire journey worked out in the favor, that I had to try to just take a chance based on what my guidance was telling me, and it worked out very well. So I'm glad it worked out. Thank you for your patience, everyone. And please check out my website. My website's in the link in the description below. And know that I'm offering for the first 25 people free readings, just to show that I'm able to do something with my healing services, my healing and guidance services, amongst other things that I can do with my spirituality right now, because I've been through a whole lot in the past year, and through all that I managed to help a lot of people, and I'm glad that I'm able to be of service to you all. So please check out my website, and don't worry about the money. I don't want any money yet until the first 25 people are finished with. Thank you.